Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus 8 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take a slow motion video on your phone Oneplus 8. First of all, on your phone, open camera and here select slow motion option. Now start recording your video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. Stop the video and play the video. See the action. Video is playing in slow motion. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video on your phone Oneplus 8. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.